Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take a middle part hairstyle. Achieving a perfect middle part starts with a good foundation, clean, dry hair. Grab a fine-tooth comb and carefully draw a straight line directly down the center of your head, from your forehead all the way back to your crown. This initial step is crucial for a symmetrical and polished look, so take your time to ensure it's perfectly centered. A precise part makes all the difference. Once your part is established, it's time to add some life to your locks. To enhance volume, apply a small amount of volumizing mousse or spray directly to the roots on either side of your middle part. Then, using a round brush, blow dry your hair, lifting upwards at the roots. This technique helps create body and prevents your hair from falling flat. Direct the airflow away from your face for a natural, flowing effect. Now that your middle part is looking fantastic, let's ensure it stays that way throughout the day. A light hold hairspray is your best friend here. Mist it evenly over your hair, focusing on the part to keep it defined and to tame any pesky flyaways. Gently smooth down any stray hairs with your fingertips or the comb. Remember, less is more when it comes to product, as heavy formulas can weigh down your hair and reduce that lovely volume you just created. To keep your middle part looking sharp day after day, a little maintenance goes a long way. A quick comb through each morning will help redefine your part and keep it looking fresh. For overnight care, consider switching to a silk pillowcase. It helps reduce friction, minimizing frizz and preserving your style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different hair lengths and textures to discover the perfect middle part that truly complements your unique features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.